Mud on the grill, boots hit the gravel by the canyon rim. Sun on the hood like a welding flame, and every rock face knew your name. You leaned on the rail with a grin so wide, like you own that wind on the bright sunrise. Dust in your cuff and sparks in your eyes, Jawsy like you were born for the wild. Oh, the cliff stood tall and the pine trees swayed. You just tipped your hat and said, let's ride that way. Every little trail turned into a stage. When you hit that ground, it came alive. Jawsy like, run that red rock line. Jawsy like, take the long way fine. Bryce Canyon calling, and you answer in stride. Jawsy like, you're a legend alive. You climb that ridge where the air gets thin, read the stone like a map with that crooked grin. Spur marks flashing in the canyon dust, like old-time stories still chasing us. You sang to the wind with a fearless tone,